morning. This is Joy from Riancho. I'm just showing you some of the presents that I have made for some of my friends on YouTube. It's the Bragbook or card book, whatever you want to call it. It's an accordion. I've made a little tutorial of it. I'm not sure where I saw it, but I saw a similar idea but without a tutorial on YouTube. So if it's your design, please let me know in the comments box, because I can't find you. It's one of my nights when I wake up in the middle of the night and looking at things, and instead I forgot to record it. And then I went to look for it and I couldn't find it at all. Anyway, so I've made about 6 of them, or and maybe I have to make a couple more. They're very simple, as you will see in the tutorial. This is my take on shabby chic a little bit. I'm not very good at shabby chic, but I'm not going to show it all, because if the person watches it, she will see how present, but it's the accordion. Okay, some of them I've made pockets here so that we put things inside rather than the full accordion. Okay, so that's one. Here's another one. Each one is for a particular kind of person, so it's a particular kind of style. This is more classic style, okay, I'll open it so that you can see inside a bit. Sorry. It's the accordion, and here on the back sorry, that's stuck together. I have to do something about that, won't I? And I put an envelope. That's another kind. This one, they're all with people in mind. This is similar, as you can see. I've done it with purple because I think this woman likes purple, and they're all very pretty, I think. Oops, things are falling out. That one. The one that you saw, we'll see in the tutorial. Black one, because, oops, this person likes black. Okay, these are all papers from the stash. I think this is first edition. I bought a long time ago. This one comes from, I think, Market 49. This one was from papers that were given to me. This I bought papers, very nice papers from the local scrapbook shop. This was papers given me, and this I got from Pinterest. I'm not going to show it to you very much because the person who is going to receive it will know it's hers, and I don't want her to see all of the special things inside. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and stay on for my tutorial because it's following now. Bye for a moment and see you soon.